Hi everyone. Since the BMW X6 first debuted back in 2008, it's been one of the brand's most popular models. BMW was the first to create the coupe-like SUV trend with the first-generation X6. Brand aficionados at the time were alarmed to see a bulbous Bavarian. But now, more than 10 years later, the third generation of the BMW X6 M60i xDrive is thriving. Now, the third-generation 2024 BMW X6 M60i xDrive is getting a facelift to keep it fresh as it nears the end of production, to be replaced by a new, electrified generation. Though, this is likely the last time we're going to see one with gas engines. Here's everything we know about the 2024 BMW X6 M60i xDrive. Under the hood, the X6 M60i xDrive continues to use a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, but it now has a 48-volt mild hybrid system. It makes the same 523 horsepower and 553 pound-foot as before, but it's a smoother, more efficient engine and, since it's a proper M engine, it can be tuned to make much more power. The BMW X6 M60i xDrive accelerates from rest to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds. Outside, the BMW X6 was the founder member of the sports activity coupe segment, and in its third model generation, it continues to epitomize extravagant sporting luster and forceful visual presence. The long, swooping roofline and crisply painted lines generate a dynamically stretched silhouette. Playing a key role here is the octagonal front-end signature below the BMW kidney grille, with its striking side apertures and generous use of black surfaces. Like the molded in three-dimensional front apron, with its outward rising lines, it underscores the car's width and brawny stature. The athletically taut surfacing of the flanks and the car's muscular shoulders transition smoothly into its equally powerful rear-end design. The rear apron has an insert in dark shadow, while the exhaust tailpipe trims are trapezoidal. Another unmissable design feature of the sports activity coupe is the slim rear lights that reach far into the tailgate. Their light signature is shaped by the familiar L shape of the rear light and brake light bars. The new BMW X6 M60i xDrive also has a rear spoiler in black high gloss. The X6 M60i also has standard adaptive dampers and wheel sizes that range from 20 to 22 inches. Inside, more drastic changes can be found on the inside as the new BMW X6 gets the Munch-based Mark's latest iDrive OS 8 infotainment setup. Dubbed the curved panel by BMW itself, this comprises a 12.3-inch touchscreen alongside a 14.9-inch digital instrument cluster. To accommodate this addition, the layout of the dashboard has been redesigned, with the stereo and defroster controls now relocated below the touchscreen. Elsewhere, the new X6 boasts new quilted Sensafin full leather upholstery as standard, while buyers have the option for full merino leather as well as a variety of wood, metal, and carbon fiber accent trim. The theme of interior ambient lighting continues with the optional Skylounge panoramic sunroof, which is lined with LED light strips to further add to the ambience of the cabin. BMW will kick off production of the 2024 BMW X6 M60i xDrive SUV in April at the plant in Spartanburg, South Carolina, following a public appearance early next month at the Amelia Concours d'Elegance. The 2024 BMW X6 M60i xDrive starts at $93,600. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to support us. Super thanks, like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video.